Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone, and this is Adam's payphone from New Jersey. And so this is the initial checkout, and we're just going to kind of go through some things here. He doesn't have any locks in this payphone, and he doesn't really need them, and he could always add them if he wants to have them later on. So basically, we're going to convert this payphone so he can use it, and we have a T key here that he has, which is really cool because T keys really don't ever have any logo on them, and this one says Roscoe, so on both sides. So it's a pretty cool T key. And what you see here is, since this is the initial checkout, we've already started working on this payphone, and basically I like to install a modular port where you can also hardwire or plug into a modular port for the line cord, and you can use any length line cord you want, any color. And so basically we have installed a modular port in the block here. So we're going to set that aside too, and kind of give this telephone a look. He's got the extra long security cord, handset cord on it. Okay, now this gives you a look at the inside of the payphone. What we're going to have to do here is we want to reconfigure this board. So we'll have to reconfigure the board. We'll also have to put our wiring block back in, and we'll install that. And we need to go through everything and convert the payphone. Basically what we have here is, this is a pretty cool payphone because it has a circuit board in the body. We're trying to unplug this, and I want to spin this around. In the body of this payphone, they have a volume control, and it has 3 settings on it. It goes low, medium, and high. So that's a plus. That's pretty cool. Sometimes you see that option on payphones, and sometimes you don't. But we want to utilize that circuitry, but I have to do some converting to everything to get this payphone to act the way we want it to work. And so we're going to just be going through it and doing an initial check of it, making sure everything's wired properly, and get everything straightened out on it. We want to make sure our money is dropping into the vault area, and we'll just be going through the payphone. There's some items in here. I'm not sure why they would still be in there, but they're basically coin telephone overflow envelope. So that's pretty cool, and it's nice to have little extra added things that you find inside these. So you never know exactly what you're going to find. And we've got some wires hanging, so we want to take care of that and find out what's going on. So we're going to take a short break from the video, and we're just going to be working towards converting this telephone and repairing anything that we need to do, and rewiring. So we'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we are finished up with this telephone now, and it has been converted. So what we're going to do is go ahead and do some of our final checks on this telephone. We want to go ahead and ring the unit. I'm going to let that go a couple of times. Let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now we'll want to press our volume button up here. And then when you hang up, it'll go back to low. So now what I want to do is we want to walk through the numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. Give you some dial tone. I want to take dial tone away, and I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch this red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We also installed a modular port at the wiring block so that they can hardwire this telephone or plug it into a modular line cord, any length, any color that they would choose. And so we're going to give you a still picture of that right now. And this just makes for a simpler, clean connection, and they can make any connection they want, either hardwired or modular line cord. Okay, so now what we want to do is drop some money through this telephone. Before, it was dropping into the coin return, and now we have it set up to where it'll drop into the vault area. So I have a quarter, and I'm going to go ahead and drop that in. I'm going to drop another quarter, nickel, another quarter, a dime. We'll do another nickel. We'll do another nickel. One more dime. Another dime. And a nickel. And so now what we can do is take our T key. We can go ahead and open up our vault. And our change is in the vault area now. So we know that the money is dropping through this unit now and dropping into the vault area. Now that we know that this telephone has been converted and repaired, we can return it to Adam and he can start enjoying it. People really like these single slot payphones, and they're really cool to have and be able to use. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959.